How's it guys, Dwaine here. Welcome to another business crash course video. This is where I cover a few small business concepts under 2 minutes. Okay, so net profit. What is net profit? There's a few things that go into net profit, and it is maybe the second last line on your cash flow statement. Okay, so what is net profit? Net profit, how do we get there? So there's a few steps. I'll try and highlight them here. So what it is, it's income minus your cost of sale. Gives you your GP. You get GP, then you get expenses. Expenses is everything that does not have to do with producing your product. Producing, I mean not electricity, I don't mean oil, I don't mean all those type of things. I just mean electricity, labor cost, advertising cost, everything that is that helps you sell that product. Okay, not produce the product. That is the difference between cost of sale and normal expenses. So you use GP, okay, to pay for your normal expenses, and then you're left over with net profit. It's important to understand what your net profit is. Net profit gets used to calculate your return on investment. Another concept that is important to understand is also there's a net profit after tax. Okay, now that is actually what you put in your pocket. Alright, so it's very important to understand the net profit, how it gets determined, and how you calculate the net profit. Hope that helped you guys. Have a great day. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share this video. Oh yeah, and please like the video as well. That'll be great. Hopefully we can share some of this information with more small business owners out there. Above all else guys, great job. Keep going for their dreams. Keep building businesses. We are helping the country immensely.